Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a quick review on this Breville Blend Active. It's a personal blender. So let's unbox this and check it out. So it comes with this instruction booklet. This is the spot style lid. So this is the green one that I've got. You can get this in different colors. I'll show you an example of the pink one now. We have two bottles in total. This one is the one with the blade on, and this is the one with the lid on. And we've got another spare lid inside the box, which I will show you in a moment. This is a high quality stainless steel blade and is able to crush ice. Always add small amount of liquid such as fruit juice or water when crushing ice. And this is also dishwasher safe. This is the motor unit. So it has a button which says blend, and it's got some good grip so it won't slip. I'll just quickly show you how to use this blender with a quick recipe. So add your ingredients in the bottle first. Don't fill the bottle above the 600 ml mark. Fit the blade assembly onto the bottle and tighten the blade firmly. Then you turn the bottle upside down like this so the blade assembly is at the bottom. Then line it up with the symbol on the blade and with the lock symbol on the rim of the motor unit. Gently press the bottle downwards, then twist it clockwise until the circle symbol on the blade assembly is aligned with the lock symbol on the rim of the motor unit. Your blender will not work unless the bottle is correctly locked into position. Press and hold the blend button to operate your blender. You can either press and hold the button or use sharp pulses until your drink is at the desired consistency. After you have finished blending your drink and the blades have stopped rotating, twist the bottle anti-clockwise until the circle symbol is aligned with the lock symbol and remove the bottle and blade assembly. Turn the bottle the right side up, then unscrew the blade assembly and fit one of the resealable lids onto the bottle. If the ingredients become stuck around the blade during processing, simply remove the bottle from the motor unit, give it a shake, then refit it and carry on processing. Don't forget your blender can be used to crush ice. For best results and to prevent possible damage to the blades, always add a small amount of liquid to the ice before processing. The liquid can be water or one of the liquid ingredients from your recipe such as fruit juice. For easy cleaning, I recommend that you clean the bottle and cap as soon as you have finished using it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment below if you would like to see other reviews. Thank you for watching.